Hi, this is Hilal. In this video, we will talk about implicit function. Before talking about the implicit function, we must know what is the explicit function. Now, explicit means, y is some function of x. That is, it is explicitly given y is the function of x. When we know x, we can calculate y directly. So this function x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the equation for a unit circle with radius 1. So this equation tells us that y is directly function of x. Okay. Now it is not always the case that we are given a function explicitly. So if we convert this, we can convert this also in the implicit form, which it is x square plus y square is equal to 1, which in itself is an implicit function. So x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is an implicit function, because implicit means some function of y and x equal to something else. Here some function of y and x is equal to something else. Here it is 1. So knowing x does not lead directly to y. If we know the value of x, we cannot this cannot lead us directly to the y. So how will we differentiate, take the derivative of the implicit function? We will see. What we do, we will take the derivative on both sides in this equation. That is, take derivative on both sides. That is, d by dx of x square plus y square, that is equal to d by dx of 1. So we are taking the derivatives on both sides in this equation. So we can write this d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx is equal to 1. Now the derivative of x square is 2x plus, here the derivative of y square, that is 2y, and the derivative of y in itself, that is dy by dx. Here the chain rule must be used whenever the function is being differentiated, because of our assumption that y may be expressed as a function of x. Here y is expressed as a function of x, therefore we are using the chain rule. First we are differentiating y square, that is 2y, and then this y. So the differentiation of y here is dy by dx. That is, so the differentiation of a constant is always 0. So now rewriting this, that this will become 2y plus dy by dx is equal to minus 2 times x, or we can say dy by dx. Sorry, here it is multiplied to this. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 2x over 2y. Now this will cancel with this, so we will get minus x over y. Now the value of y is here. We can write y square is equal to 1 minus x square. Now transposing the square on RHS, this will become y is equal to plus minus of 1 minus x square. Now we will substitute this, we will take the positive root here, so this will become minus x divided by under root of 1 minus x square. So this is how we differentiate an implicit function, where we don't know anything if y is the function of x, because it is not explicitly given here. So that is why we are using the implicit function here. In economics, though it is rarely used in economics, but at times it is used. For example, when we try to find the marginal rate of technical substitution between labor and capital in the production isocount, there we are supposed to use this implicit function. So the intuition here is, we must use the chain rule whenever we are taking derivative of an implicit function. Okay.